1. Volcanoes can create their own weather, with some eruptions producing massive amounts of ash and gas that can block out sunlight and even create their own lightning storms. This is because the ash and gas can interact with the atmosphere to produce electrical charges, leading to some pretty wild and dramatic displays of nature's power. For example, during the 2010 eruption of Age of Geological in Iceland, the ash cloud was so dense that it caused lightning storms to break out over the UK.
2. There's a type of volcano that's underwater, and it's called a submarine volcano. These volcanoes can be just as powerful as their above-ground counterparts, but because they're underwater, their eruptions can be much harder to detect. In fact, it's estimated that up to 75% of all volcanic eruptions on Earth occur underwater, making them a pretty mysterious and understudied phenomenon. 3. Volcanoes can be found on other planets, with some of the most notable examples being on Mars and Venus. The most famous volcano in our solar system is probably Olympus Mons on Mars, which is the largest known volcano in the solar system and stands at an impressive 27 kilometers high. It's a shield volcano, which means it's shaped like a giant shield, and is around 3 times the height of Mount Everest. 4. Some volcanoes can erupt with a type of lava that's so cool, it's actually frozen. This type of lava is called pahoehoe, and it's created when lava cools and solidifies so quickly that it forms a glassy, frozen crust on its surface. It's really rare to see this type of lava, but when you do, it's like looking at a frozen waterfall of molten rock. 5. The smell of a volcano can be really bad, with some eruptions producing a stench that's been compared to rotten eggs, sulfur, and even sewage. This is because many volcanoes produce large amounts of hydrogen sulfide gas, which is the same gas that gives rotten eggs their distinctive smell. In fact, during some eruptions, the smell can be so bad that it's been known to make people's eyes water and even cause respiratory problems.